As the province heads in to witness the smoke crisis again, the administrative agencies headed by various chief secretaries along with the Environment Protection Agency had come to a consensus and issued an order to strictly ban the burning of crop residue, polythene bags and plastics, solid waste and the pollution causing brick kilns. This decision has been taken as the Punjab government proceeded to reason it under the section 144 CRPC Criminal Procedure Code 1898. This decision has been taken in order to control, curb and combat the smoke which is worsening the air pollution here in Punjab and specifically in Lahore. These decisions have been preemptively and cautiously taken so that the smog could be combated and the diseases and the problems that are accompanied with it for the normal lives of people shall be controlled and considered. This moreover, as far as the brick kilns and the steel mills operating in Punjab that are causing smoke are concerned, 46 steel mills have been shut down completely in order to curb down the pollution, and various others have been spared out because of their scrubbers, their filters, the filters and scrubbers they are using in order to control the pollution. As far as the brick kilns is concerned, out of 319 brick kilns, 113 brick kilns have been transformed from BTK to zigzag technology, and these decisions are going to be taken by the administrative and enforcement agencies for the next 3 months, and their implementation and their execution will be ensured by the directions of the Punjab government.